War veterans are standing up and demanding change. In 2024, the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, led by Andreas Ethan Mathibela, sent a powerful message to the government. They called on President Emerson Mnangagwa to address the nation's pressing issues instead of making idle threats against citizens. Mathibela made it clear, the veterans are not engaging in subversive activities, they simply want accountability. We trained in security, he said, and we know what subversion is. Demanding better governance isn't subversion. The veterans are not just voicing complaints, they're offering solutions. They've written to the president, asking to collaborate on fixing Zimbabwe's economy, politics, and social fabric. Meanwhile, Acting Minister Jenfon Musware has warned against alleged instigators of anarchy. But the veterans' stance is firm. Threats won't solve the real problems. As Zimbabwe navigates these turbulent times, the call for unity and action is louder than ever. Will the government listen? Only time will tell. Stay informed, stay engaged, your voice matters.